3 simple things to do if you're thinking about selling this spring. Don't overthink it. So number 1, to declutter. Just start throwing some stuff away. Do 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Get a Bagster from Home Depot, but just chuck some stuff into it. You don't have to do the whole house, few things. Number 2, do small repairs. And the best way to make a small repair list is to get a pre-listing home inspection. You could have a home inspector come over now and give you a home inspection, and you'd be able to knock out a whole bunch of things. We could work together on it. You send me the list, I get you together with a handyman, get some things knocked out. Number 3, up your curb appeal. Get rid of all the leaves, put down fresh mulch, like all those things will be still good for you in the spring when you go to sell. And if you have tree limbs or trees that need to come down in your yard, let's get them cut down now. I have a referral for a tree trimmer, but that'll do 2 things. If there's an ice storm this winter or a big storm, you won't be worried about big limbs coming down on the house. And you'd probably want to do it anyway if you're listing in the spring.